We stand on the precipice of a new era in understanding the human brain. Neuralink, a company founded by Elon Musk, is developing technology to bridge the gap between our minds and computers. Imagine a future where we can control devices with our thoughts. This is the ultimate goal of Neuralink. At the heart of Neuralink's technology is the brain-machine interface, or BMI. This interface uses tiny electrodes to detect and record the electrical signals in our brains. These signals, which represent our thoughts and intentions, are then translated into digital commands that computers can understand. Imagine a direct line of communication between your brain and a computer. This is the power of Neuralink. The Neuralink device is incredibly small, about the size of a coin. It is implanted in the skull with the electrodes penetrating the outer layer of the brain. These electrodes are so tiny that the implantation procedure is minimally invasive. Once implanted, the device can record brain activity and transmit this data wirelessly to a computer for analysis. The potential applications of Neuralink are vast and awe-inspiring. In medicine, it could revolutionize the treatment of neurological disorders like Parkinson's disease and epilepsy. Imagine restoring movement and communication to those who have lost it. Neuralink could also help people with paralysis control prosthetic limbs with their minds, restoring independence and mobility.